Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Ifoma and you're watching Ifoma's channel. I want to thank all my old and new subscribers for your support, for your love, for your care. I really appreciate it. Okay, thank you so much for your encouragement, for the love, for the positiveness I've been getting so far, because I know it's not easy to be here, but thank you so much. I really appreciate. So in this video I want to show you all how I do my cornrow, or how to do a cornrow. I am not good at explaining, okay, so I'm going to be demonstrating it with my hand. Okay, so I know that there are a lot of cornrows video out there. Okay, we can never finish learning. Okay, doing this video might help one or two people out there. Okay, so without talking so much, to start with, I have parted my parts. Okay, it's already been part. Let me show you the back. So we start by keeping this one aside. So you now start by holding the right, taking your right hand, hold the right side, then take your left hand, left finger, and hold the other side of the bread too, like this. Then the middle hair will stay. Then you now begin to cornrow. You now take your right hand and begin to braid your hair. You now go on under. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm not good at explaining, so by braiding it, by demonstrating it, I hope you grab what I'm saying. Okay, I hope you understand it. And a way to braid your hair neat and to have a very lasting braid is to braid your hair closely, grabbing your braid closely to your hand. Never you braid your hair loose. If you braid it loose, it might spoil, freeze up faster, spoil faster. Can you see what I'm doing? I hope you are seeing it, because I cannot say. You continue braiding it. Allow your hand to be leading. Okay, at this point your hand is leading your hair. Can you see it? Let me show you one more time. I hope this is fine. Okay, guys, let me show you one more time. You now divide this tray into 3 sections. Okay, let me start. You see, I hold this side with this one, then I hold the other side, then with this hand I hold this one, then I begin with the left hand, collect the right hair, then go back, cross with the right hand and collect the left hair. I don't know if I am making sense in what I'm showing you. Just continue like that. Like I said, I'm not good at explaining, but I hope you are seeing what I'm doing, what I'm demonstrating. So you continue like this. Continue like this. Make sure that you braid closely to your hand. Don't jump the hair. That is how to have a very neat and strong lasting cornrows. Keep on trying. I know the first time you might not get it right, but practice makes perfect. I did not know how to braid before. I keep on practicing with YouTube videos day by day, practicing until you get it right. Let me show you the back. Like I say, I hope you guys are seeing what I am doing. Please, if you hear some noises, please ignore them. They are my children. They are making noise. They are playing, so cannot do otherwise. Please ignore them and concentrate on the video, please. If your hair is dry, you can go ahead and spray it some little bit of leave-in conditioner and finish up with the braiding. So this is it, that guys. Can you see it? So I will go off camera and finish braiding my entire hair and come back and show you the result. Okay, keep on watching. I hope you like this tutorial. I know it's not well detailed, but by demonstrating it with my hand, I hope you grab something, you learn something from my video. Okay, so this is the end, this is the result. I hope you like it. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate. God bless you all. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Okay, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.